Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a return of a mystery gift box to share with you. And it is a box from the mysterygiftbox.com, and this is a £50 mystery box for her. Really large box. Now if you're new to my channel, I have collaborated with the mystery gift box a few times over the last couple of years. I do have a playlist running, so you will find that down in my description if you're interested in taking a look at what past boxes have been like. But they got in touch with me a couple of days ago asking if I'd be interested in receiving another box for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it. If you're new, if you've never heard about them before, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about them. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what they sent me, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The mystery gift box is a family run business from Milton Keynes that started up their business in January 2018. They source their products from over 40 different suppliers in the UK and Europe, and they have over 600 product lines in stock. They offer two types of subscriptions. You've got a mystery box for her and a mystery box for him, and there's two different prices. You can opt for a £30 box or a £50 box. The £30 box is available monthly, bi-monthly and quarterly, and the £50 subscription box is available bi-monthly and quarterly. Both boxes have the option of paying an additional £5 to have all the products inside gift wrapped. So as well as the subscriptions, they have a huge amount of different types of mystery boxes available as one-off purchases. Everything you can think of. There's a massive list. You've got different mystery boxes with different price brackets for her, for him, for mum, for dad, for grandmother, grandfather, sister, brother, friend, Harry Potter fans, gin fans, cat fans, dog fans. Basically anything you can think of, there is a mystery box option that you can opt for. As I said at the start, the box that they have sent me is the £50 mystery one-off box for her, but prices start from £25 upwards, and you also have the chance to pay £5 for individual wrapping of the products inside the boxes as well. If you struggle to purchase gifts for people and you just haven't got a clue what to buy them, then this takes the stress out of gifting. I think it is fab, and I know a few of my friends and family have used this company to purchase boxes to pass on to friends and family as Christmas gifts, as birthday gifts, etc. I just think it's a really great idea that there's something like this out there. Now say for instance you've got a friend in mind, you want to spend about £25 on her, but you know for a fact she doesn't like, say, sheet masks, or she wants all her products to be cruelty free and vegan. You are able to email the mystery gift box and put these requests in. All the boxes on the website are tailored for adults, but they do say that if you have a child that you would like to purchase a box for, then to get in touch with them and they will see what they can do. Also, if you are out of the UK and you'd really like to try one of their boxes, they also suggest to email them and they'll see what they can do there as well. At the moment they're currently dispatching their boxes either on the same day as purchase or the next working day, and they've also got a code running for 20% off your first subscription box, which is subscribe 20, and that runs for April, and then from May onwards it goes back down to subscribe 10 for 10% off your boxes. And I forgot to say, free UK delivery is included in all the prices. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll pop all links and everything related to this company down below in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open it up and seeing what I got inside. It says, we aim for 100% customer satisfaction, so we hope that you love your mystery gift box and tell everyone about us. If there's anything you're not satisfied with, please contact us as we will do our utmost to make things right. And they've got an email there which I'll pop down below as well. And it says this box was packed by Eric. I hope that's Eric. I have got dyslexia and I just find it really hard to read people's handwriting. I'm so sorry. I'm sure it says Eric. Apologies if it's not Eric. And then it goes on to telling you about the discount codes as well. This is my box. Look at this. It's all wrapped up beautifully. There's 8 products in this box. So let's open it up. It's just like Christmas. It's just like Christmas. It's something to eat. What is it? Oh my gosh. This is Cheesy's crunchy popped cheese. So it's like a cheesy popcorn, I think, is it? Emmental, no carbs, high in protein, 115. Yeah, it is, 115 calories. cheesy popcorn. Oh, I absolutely love popcorn. I have had popcorn from, I think it's Joe and Steph's. I think so, in one of the boxes that the mystery gift box has sent to me before. I really love popcorn. High in protein, gluten-free, vegetarian. Yeah, I like that. I love that. I can't wait to give that a go. Okay, next. Ooh, it feels like a teddy. Ooh, no, something hard there. Okay. Oh, it's a little makeup bag. It's a really soft vellum makeup bag. Too glam to give a damn. Look, it's really soft. Can you see there? With a little pom-pom chain. Oh, these are so soft. They remind me of my bunny rabbits. They're not alive anymore, unfortunately. They were beautiful. I love them. This is by the brand Mad Beauty, and this is Pretty in Pom. Yeah, I really like that. I don't want to press too hard, just in case it's chocolate and I'll break it or something. Oh, a Gadget. I love a Gadget. This is by Yes Studio, and this is Sugar Rush. Charge and sync cable. Always in need of cables around the house. With 5 of us living in the house, we're always like, where's the charger? Who's stolen the charger? And you look in one of the bedrooms, you can guarantee they're there. So yeah, no, I'm really chuffed to have that. There's lots of different outputs there. Yeah, really handy. I don't know, something sticks out there. Ooh, what have we got? Ooh, we've got a coffee cup. This is a natural bamboo fibre, no plastic aftertaste. This is an e-coffee cup. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? That is so nice. It says each year 100 billion single-use cups end up in landfill due to their plastic content. 99% will never be recycled, and that's why we created e-coffee cup, because each time you choose to reuse, you are not only helping #stop the 100 billion, you're also drinking from a cup made with natural, rapidly renewable bamboo fibre with no plastic aftertaste. E-coffee cup, there really is no excuse for single use. I love this. That's going to come in handy, definitely. What's it like with sealing? Yeah, look. Oh, what a fab idea. Yeah, really impressed with that. So I've got a cup, something a bit hard. I don't know. It's socks. It is socks. I absolutely love socks. And size UK 4 to 7, beer kind bamboo socks. Oh, look at them. I had a subscription box a couple of months ago, and I've stopped it now, but it was socks and underwear, and they were really funky. I wear the weirdest socks. I love them, bright, bold, really strange socks, and never see them because I'm always wearing boots. Whenever I buy socks, I never go for like plain colours. I always go for really like funky designs, and those are gorgeous. If I would have spotted them in the shop, I would have been, ooh, yeah, I do really like them. I am actually a UK size 8. So I have got big feet. I tend to go for men's socks unless I can find women's that do 8. But they will stretch, it'll be fine. Feels nice and soft. Look, see? Nice and stretchy. 100% of the profits help save the animal on these socks. Oh, I love that. Yeah, I love that. 3 presents left. I don't know, it's a box or something. Grown-up marshmallows. Gin marshmallows, traditional handmade gourmet marshmallows. I love marshmallows. Grown-up marshmallows are traditional and handmade using only natural ingredients and flavourings. Oh, look. Look. How strong are they? I'm going to have one. Oh, look, they've got here Sicilian lemon. I'm obsessed with lemons. Sicilian lemon. Oh. Summer fruit, salted peanut and caramel, raspberry chocolate drizzle, dipped chocolate, and it says small batch, all natural, gluten, dairy, egg, palm oil and GMO free. Right, okay. I can smell. Oh, look at this. Look how look at that. Look how squidgy. Oh, I could play with this. for ages. Look. It's just like Play-Doh. It is so nice. It is so nice. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, they're lovely. 2 more to go. This is a candle. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. We've got a Spring Peony Soy Wax Candle from the Great Wood Candle Co. Lovingly hand poured in East Sussex. Oh, I adore candles as well. I've had a few candles in these boxes before. And they're lovely. They're really nice. I just love candles. I love them. Oh, that's so nice. That is so nice. Oh, there. Just a candle. Chuffed with that. Last item in the box. I don't know what this is. Oh, it smells nice. Oh, I can smell lemon. It smells like lemon sherbet. I don't know what it is yet. Gelato, Wild Olive Gelato Bath Melt Collection. Mint chocolate chip, raspberry ripple, lemon sorbet, cookies and cream. I had something like this before. It was a cocktail bath bomb set. And I wonder if it's from the same company. Smell is stunning. Oh my gosh, it is. I think it's from the same company. Look at those. It's a little box of cakes. A little box of cupcakes. Oh, this is what I can smell. Look, lemon sorbet. Oh, I just love it. Oh, I love it. Oh, and mint chocolate chip as well. Look at that. I love mint chocolate chip ice cream. They're not cakes, they're gelato. Oh, that is so nice. Cookies and cream. It smells nice, although the lemon is quite overpowering. And then we've got raspberry ripple. Oh, that one's lovely. Oh, that one's so nice. Oh, I love things like this. I just think it's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, really, really chuffed with it. Handmade in the Peak District from Natural Ingredients. 8 products in all. I received the £50 box for her, so I'll just go through it one by one, doing you a bit of a recap. So I've got some cheesies, popcorn. I've got a Sugar Rush charging cable. I've got a pair of Bumblebee Bear Kind socks. I've got an e-coffee cup. I've got a Spring Peony candle from the Great Candle Co. I've got a Pretty in Palm, a cosmetic makeup bag. I've got a Just Gin grown-up marshmallows. And lastly, Wild Olive Gelato bath melts. As always, I absolutely love this box. The products that are inside are really exciting. There is nothing there that I don't like. The smells coming from this box is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much to the mystery gift box for sending this out to me. I love the fact that the products are from independent local businesses as well. If you were to add up the prices of these products against the cost that you pay, you might not see a mass difference. With these boxes, it takes out the stress of gifting. All their boxes will have a higher value of the actual price than what you've paid for. You will never receive a box that is worth lower than what you've paid for then. So I just thought I'd mention that in case you think, well, you know, I've been totting it up and it's only like £10 extra to buy them all individually or something. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you ordered from the mystery gift box before for yourself as a subscription or as a gift to give to someone? I'd love to hear what you thought of it, and I'd love to hear of what type of boxes you opted for as well. Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is a box or a service that you would use? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.